Hello class and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to discuss the different layouts that come with Cinema 4D. So, let's begin. Alright, so this is Cinema 4D and this is how it looks when you open it up. And you can see over here that we have the different layout options and we are on the startup layout. So here we have a little bit of everything. So we have the timeline. If we want to animate something, we have the material manager in case we want to create new materials and texture something. And we have the attributes, the objects manager, and all of these different tools that we use very often in Cinema 4D. So as I said, this layout has a little bit of everything in it. But if I want to model something, for example, I'm going to create a cube here, and if I want to model and modify this cube, I'm going to make it editable, but I cannot see the tools that I need to modify this object if I want to. So what I have to do is to come over here, and again, if I say that I'm going to model something, I'm going to go to the model layout. And now, as you can see, I have all of these different modeling tools that I can use really close to me. And I also have different selection options over here. And the cool thing is that I can modify this layout. So for example, if I want to have my materials manager over here, I can just go to Window and click on the material manager option like this. Then I can move this over here, click on this icon here, click and drag, and drop it over here, like this. And now I will have all of the different materials that I'm going to use for this particular project really close to me as well. So this layout is going to help me to model my objects really easily and really effectively. And I can also modify this layout so I can access really quickly all the tools and all the options that I need. Alright? And now let's say that we have completed modeling our object and we want to work on the UV mapping of this object. All I have to do is to go to the layout options and I have to select the body paint UV edit layout. And now I can work on the UVs for this object. When I'm finished, I can come over here and change to the sculpt layout and I will be able to sculpt my different objects in this layout. If I want to animate my project, I can go over here and I just have to go to the animate layout. And here I will have all of the tools that I need to animate my project, and that way it's going to be much easier and much quicker to work in Cinema 4D using the different layouts depending on the kind of work that I have to do. So what I want you to do now is to check out these different layouts and play around with them. And I'm sure that after you try them, you will not want to use this startup layout again. So make sure that you take advantage of the different layouts that come with Cinema 4D. And that's all for this lesson. I hope that you learned something useful and I will see you in the following lesson.